problem doing his burnout. He's got sticky Hoosiers, he loses fire. Is he going to be able to fire it back up again? He's working on it. The T-Bucket is here. He's coming up to the starting line. The 55 Chevy backing it up. He's going to try and get this thing to burn out and get those tires stick. The Gasser style 55 Chevy. This is the Hoonigan match race. We've got the T-Bucket against the 55 Chevrolet. The Gasser style car. Now Gasser's gas class in NHRA history. This is a replication of what those Gassers were. It's a 55 Chevrolet with some sticky Hoosiers. He's had some problems doing his burnout. The car got out of shape. He's not getting the traction he needs. The twin turbocharged Chevrolet powered T-Bucket. He's got some issues, he said, with the torque converter. He's hoping to get to the finish line first. It's going to be a heads-up match race, deep stage, oh, way too deep. Skid marks on the track. I can get 1955 was the first year of the full production of a Chevy V8. Not the first Chevy V8, but the first full production. The Model T was the first mass-produced car and put Ford on the map worldwide. This T-Bucket powered by an LS series Chevrolet engine with twin turbochargers. Engine set back on the 55 Chevy to drive the power. Straighten it back up again. He's going to come back. We're not going to tell you how quick he ran.